Hey guys, Zach over here at Wicked Warnings. Nice to meet all of you. George is out for the weekend and left me with this super cool Ford 2500. As you can see, super nice. Wants me to get it all done by the time he comes in on Monday. Left me some stuff out, so let's see what we got here. He left me up with looks like some auto flasher kits, some M power lights, and then we got our good stuff, things I think I'm going to need that I grabbed. We got a blowtorch, hammer, some drill bits, got some wrenches, screws. And, yeah, so he said if I get this all done good, he think he can give me a nice spot on the team here. So, but what do you guys think? Get started on it, have it done, get started on it tomorrow, and I'll give you guys an update on how it goes. But if you got any ideas, let me know. See ya.